I saw this on the side of the road. It's a 100-foot observation tower. It used to be used with the Arkansas Forestry Service back in the day. And I think we're gonna climb it. So what you need to do is you need 4 quarters in your hand, which is ridiculously cheap. And you put it in this coin-operated machine to get through this gate. 2, 3, 4. Well, let's see if it works. And you can see why this is a fire tower. Because if anything's on fire, you are definitely going to be able to see it from here. Pretty cool. 10 minutes. I climbed a gazillion stairs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You get the idea. 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. I just finished climbing that.
So I heard you counting. How many steps were there?
Oh my gosh, I think it was like 121 or something like that.
Oh no, you got to go back up and try again because you're wrong.
I don't think so. How many stairs are there?
It's more than that. I think it's like 134 to 137.
There's no way. How would I miss that many stairs in my count? You were telling me, how long has this been here? This
About 1983, I believe.
1983, this tower.
This location, yeah.
Wow, and then you're the owner.
I am.
Wow, and what's your name?
Rex Guston.
Well, Rex, what a great thing to own. Thanks very much, and I don't think I'm going to go up those stairs again, but I'll trust you on that.
Well, you can go up and down as many times as you like once you get in.
Okay, have a great day. Thank you.
Spend the night, no running.
Okay, take care.